Hi guys, BigTrak UK. I thought I'd do some unboxing while we're on lockdown, so see what I got. It'll be a short video, mind you, because I haven't got that many. But if you comment me down below, see what I could get, we quite appreciate it. And hope you enjoyed this video and go to the next video. I'll see you in a minute, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Hi guys, I'm back. Well, the first thing I found is this. It's called BigTrak. It's only the short little bit to go with it. So we'll open it up, see what's in it. Oh, the wrong way. Huh. No, I can't open it. Right, here we go. Right. So basically, it's a cup. It's a hold like cans and things like that on this thing here, and it's just basically the hold all to it. Yeah. And I'll show you what the other bits to go with it. Just go and get it. Right. Okay, it's quite a big box. Put this to one side. I put that over there. And I've found something else that goes with it. Here you go. Found that. I ain't opened it for ages actually. Don't know if it's working or not. Never tried it. We'll open it up, shall we? See what it's like. Basically it's a retro. It's supposed to be retro. Let's get it out of the box. Oh. There we go. There you go. Let's see. Obviously I've done it before. I've done some of the stickers. This is ages ago. See, look, there's little gaps there. And this is little retro. It's supposed to be retro. And I'll see if it works. It might need batteries actually. It probably does. So what we do, we test that later. Check the batteries. Open it up later and show you if it works. That's one bit. Here's the instructions. Put that to one side. There you go, guys. That's that I found. That goes with, see the thing I've just showed you? It goes with that. So basically, it goes on the side. So what I have to do, I'll put it all together, show you, all set up. That's later. So what I'll show you something else. It's basically another, it's not retro. See? Another thing. Can't you guess what that is? It's a helicopter. Should I open this up? Well, I open it up, obviously you can't. Right, let's have a look. We got helicopter. Okay. Closer. Got the instructions of it. Get the helicopter itself. The controls. I've never flown this. I've opened it up, but I don't think I've ever flown this. It's got the controls of it. Let's see. Don't tend to last these. And that's what I got. There you go. Bit of a mess on my bed now. I'll get this, actually I'll get this out of the box. Oh. Oops. I hope I didn't break that. Oh. Right, okay. Right, Let's get it out of the box, shall we? Oh my god. That's stuck in the plastic thing. Well, there you go. Here's the noise. Yeah. Helicopter. Get this out of the way. There's that. Get this out of the way. Hate polystyrene. There you go. That's what I got. A big toy, my fidget spinners, helicopter with the controls, another fidget spinner. There you go. And that's what I got. I'll go back to you guys as if they're working. Speak to you in a minute. Right, there we go. It's crashed, it's crashed, it's crashed. Let's see if it'll come back. I'll see. So when you when it touches something, it stops. See if it goes back again. It doesn't go right. Ah, I've got it now. So basically you've got to press the button once and it goes once. So if you go to see, so if it hits something, it basically stops. And it should come back. But it's not. So that should come back. Press the arrow, back. Come on. Nope. So it's getting confused. It was stuck. There you go. Because I press the button once, it basically goes backwards and forwards. If I do it twice, go. There you go. See? There you go. It's got stuck again. So basically, technically, this was supposed to be on the floor. You're supposed to put it on the floor. There you go. Basically, first go 3. Suppose you should go 1, 2, 3. Okay, see? Me playing with the toys, so trying to figure out and crash the toy, especially this one, the BigTrak, sorry. I couldn't get this one to work. The helicopter. It's a shame though. Be fun seeing me crashing it like I do with my drone. And I couldn't get this to attach to this guy here. So I'll try it one day. I'll try it And I hope, as I said, I hope you enjoyed me crashing it, if you saw it. And yeah, turn it around the right way, shall we? Here you go. My toy. And I'll show you my drone next time. Indoors, of course. I can't do it at the moment because, as I said, the lockdown. I know it's exercise, I know that, but I thought I'd stay indoors anyway because it's a bit cold. So I hope you enjoy this, guys, and please share, like and subscribe. I'd be quite appreciated, and I'll see you later, guys.